Hi friends, have you ever wondered what truly makes a woman never forget a man? It's not the gifts, not the looks, not even the words. It's something much deeper. Today, I'm going to tell you that one simple thing you can do that will lock your place in her heart forever. Listen closely, because this might just change the way you love. In a world full of distractions, ego, and temporary connections, becoming unforgettable isn't about showing off or being overly charming. It's about doing that one thing that most men are too afraid or too distracted to do. Genuinely making her feel seen, safe, and understood. Yes, you heard that right. It's not about money, muscles, or fancy dates. It's about presence. The kind of presence where you listen with your eyes, not just your ears. Where she doesn't have to scream her pain for you to notice it. Where her silence means something to you. That level of emotional intelligence, that ability to read her energy, that's what stays in her heart forever. Most guys talk. Few truly observe. Most react. Few respond. But the man she never forgets is the one who made her feel like she was more than just another pretty face. He made her feel like her soul was recognized, like her emotions weren't a burden, but a map to her world. And he respected that map. Want her to never forget you? Then protect her emotional peace. Be that rare man who gives her comfort without expecting anything in return. Remind her with your actions that loyalty still exists. Don't try to fix her problems. Sometimes, just holding her storm is enough. Be gentle with her chaos. Celebrate her strengths. Stand still when she feels like she's falling apart. And most importantly, be consistent. One act of kindness may impress her, but it's your pattern of effort that will etch your name in her memory. So do this one thing: be real, be present, and be emotionally safe. She'll never forget the man who made her feel like home in a world that always made her feel misplaced. So if you truly want to be the man she'll never forget, don't chase her. Just be that rare soul who makes her feel safe, seen, and deeply understood. Because once a woman experiences a love like that, she may move on, but your memory will echo in her heart forever. If this touched you, share it with someone who needs to hear this today.